Luxury SUVs promise comfort, performance, and prestige, but are they really worth it? From the very first glance, a luxury SUV is designed to command attention. Clean body lines, premium proportions, and large alloy wheels define its confident stance. Every detail, from the lighting to the finishes, reflects a carefully crafted design. Step inside, and the focus immediately shifts to comfort, technology, and refinement. Premium materials, supportive seating, and thoughtful ergonomics elevate the driving experience. Rear seat passengers enjoy generous space, advanced features, and a relaxing environment. Modern luxury SUVs are packed with digital displays and intelligent driver assistance systems. On the road, performance feels smooth, confident, and surprisingly responsive. Advanced suspension and all-wheel drive systems help balance comfort with control. It's the small details that separate luxury from ordinary. Beyond driving, a luxury SUV represents a premium lifestyle and everyday convenience. With flexible cargo space, luxury SUVs remain practical for daily use. So, is a luxury SUV worth it? That depends on how much you value comfort, technology, and the overall experience.